Hello everyone, welcome to the Unsalted Kitchen. Today I'm only going to have a short video and I'm only going to show you what are we going to have for dinner. Today we're going to have baked salmon with garlic fried rice and steamed veggie broccoli. Right? Let me show you. So the first thing I'm going to show you is my broccoli because I already started it, and as you can see this is steam and it's cooking. And second is I have this rice. This is leftover from last night and I minced some fresh garlic, and then I'm going to bake this salmon to 400 Fahrenheit, and I just use a seasoning Mrs. Dash and some paprika. All right, so the next step I am going to do is to make the fried rice. So we're gonna add a little bit of butter in a pan. This is already heated pan, and a little bit of olive oil to have that flavor, to add a little bit more flavor to the garlic rice. I always like to use butter. I just find it very flavorful, you know. Then add the garlic. So we want the garlic browned a little, you know. And then we're going to add the rice. So now we're going to add a little bit of this soy sauce, just to have a little flavor. And let it cook for another 5 minutes and we are done. So guys, I just want to show you what seasoning I used for this salmon. I have this crystallized true lemon and paprika, as well as Mrs. Dash, and I use this lemon pepper to have a little kick to it, and of course I brushed the salmon with olive oil, and I'm going to bake this to 400 Fahrenheit for 10 to 15 minutes, or maybe just 10 minutes, because we don't want to overcook this salmon, otherwise I will ruin it. Alright, we'll see you later. So here's the salmon, it's cooked and baked, and also my rice. can just put a little peanut sauce in there. Yeah. Peanut sauce that I made the other day. And this is my dinner. Everyone is having dinner already and did not wait for me. Hi folks, dinner is over. I am stuffed, salmon is good, fried rice is great, and of course broccoli and salad is also wonderful. I just want to say thank you for watching my channel, The Unsalted Kitchen. And if you like this video, please hit like, share, subscribe, and do not forget to hit your notification bell to get updates for new videos. Thank you for watching again. Bye bye. See you later.